Kabado tayo.
Kita masalimutan ko. Pag kalinduusan ka damdam mo.
Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng mayat?
Mayat.
Mayat.
Maganda. Parang ganun. Pwede ano rin. Mayat. Ayos pala. Ayos.
Masalimuot.
Masalimuot. Masalimuot.
Yung retrato ba yun?
Litrato? Picture.
Picture.
Hindi retrato.
Nagpakulay ka ng buhok?
Wala.
Mayat eh. Mamayat.
Hi, I'm one of the famous Canadians. My name is Jordan Toto. I was born on February 2, 1983. My mother is a Ukrainian Canadian and my father is Inuit. I'm a Canadian professional hockey player for the Detroit Red Wings of the National Hockey League. At 2.5 years old, I was on the ice. I didn't waste much time before getting into a pair of skates. At 5, I had already picked up my first hockey stick. My brother is also a great hockey player, but he died. He committed suicide at age of 22 in the wake of an arrest for drunk driving. I followed my dreams to play in the National Hockey League, even after the tragedy of losing my older brother Terence. By not giving up after my loss, I showed my determination and ability to overcome adversity. Being a role model is something that I take very seriously, and I want more kids to play for the Team Canada. I want to be the first of many more hockey players.
Matagal na ngayon sa kanya. Oh yeah, show the picture.